creek. We're doing a bunch of pre-construction. He's just going to patch up a bit of stuff up there, and then we'll come back down here where I'm backing out. This is the worst part. These Bobcats, as anyone knows them, they do not have very good vision. So we'll throw a backup camera in this little sucker at some point, because very, very blind reverse stuff. Now we'll be doing this section here in a little bit. We're doing this trail up here. And then we'll be continuing on to another creek. Places for the baby salmon to hang out.